Most creators spend months, years of getting 4,000 watch hour. What if I told you that there is a way that you can get your watch hour if you plan it strategically, and if you do all I've told you, at the end of the month, or 2 days or 3 days or 1 week, you will get monetized. 4,000 watch hour is the most difficult thing for YouTuber, because you are looking for a way to get monetized. That is why you're on YouTube. So what you need to do is to listen and watch this video to the end. And this thing is not far from you. It's in your phone. It is something that you know about, but you do not have the information or the update. I always tell people this: the only difference between you and I is just updates, or knowledge, or information. And not that I am better than you, but because of the information and knowledge that I have, that I'm using to succeed, you don't have it. If you do, you'll be in a better place. See, 4,000 watch hour is not easy. That is why YouTube themselves say 1 year. At least by 1 year, if you are consistent and hardworking, you will have gotten 4,000 watch hour. But you know us now, we want to make the money quickly. That is why we are looking for some shortcuts, some ways to help us to get 4,000 watch hour quickly. And one thing about me, I don't like wasting people's time. I don't like talking too much, or wasting people's time. It's for disclaimer purpose. I'm not forcing you to do it, so you should not come and say this. It's just a way to help 1 or 2 persons who are interested to get their 4,000 watch hour ASAP. This thing I'm about to show you, it cannot be publicized, but immediately you are doing it, your watch hour is counting for you as it dey hot. But you cannot do it for people to watch it again and then start counting for you. No. So with that being much said, I'm Vibe with Deborah. If this is what you want to be seeing often, click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. So let me take you to my YouTube studio so you will see what I'm talking about. Yes, let's go. So guys, welcome to my YouTube studio. So I'm going to be telling you, this is game you play on YouTube. A lot of people are sleeping on those things. A lot of people don't know that game can get you your 4,000 watch hour if you do it judiciously. But the only thing is that you cannot publicize it. But immediately you are playing it, your watch hour is counting live directly. When you check your analytics, you will see that if you are having 4 hours before, you will see the hours you accumulated from playing this game will be added to it. So now what you need to do is go to your YouTube, click on your YouTube, this place here where you see plus, click on this plus. It's going to take you to this place where you see a pencil sign like this. You click on it, you see your title here, you remove your title. Let's put title, who is going to beat me on this game. Let me use a capital letter on this game. So who is going to beat me? Let me use a capital letter to beat me. Who is going to beat me on this game? On this game. Let's go there. Capital letter. Waiting. Just find a title that you're going to use. Then when you have written your title here, you come on this icon of thumbnail to collect your thumbnail. Either you want to take a picture or you want to upload. Then I've already gotten my thumbnail. I just pick here and you pinch it down with your fingers. Then you save it. So you say, who can beat me? I'm live, I'm playing a game, and every other thing. So what you need to do, we are just going to go next. Make sure that it's not for kids, because if you don't put it, it may violate the guidelines of YouTube. Maybe it's not, kids are not supposed to see it or something like that. Just put no, it's not meant for kids. So just put it, no, it's not meant for kids. Then we are going to go live. So we are live now. So I'm just giving you an example. We are live now. So when you are doing that, this place here, this where you see love or this something here, you click on it. When you click on it, please take note of the place. You see thief puzzle, people play it a lot. You see 17 million plays to 28 million plays, telling you 58 items in 58 million plays, 41 and 20 million 29. These are what people are engaging with. Excuse me, this is what people are engaging with. So like that. So now, before you know it, when you're playing, when people are seeing it, they can get stuck and want to help you. Like the one that happened to me 3 or 4 days ago was with words, these words here. So person will just see it like, why is this person playing this game now? They'll be sending you message that, oh, they'll be giving you the word, oh, sat, oh, end, oh, invest, oh, like they'll be interacting with you. So you keep playing like that. So now I want to play this. If you want to hide your camera, you can. So if you want to on your camera, you can on it like this. If you want to off it, you can also off your camera. Just put it on that camera angle here and off it. So why I mute the sound, because you cannot privatize it, but this is how the game is. This game has about 74 million plays. A lot of people like this game. It's like about thief, just how you carry this bag. If you can't carry it back, the owner gets you, the owner is going to beat you. So that is how it is. You keep playing the game and people will start joining in. As you can see, people will start joining later. So one thing about this game is that you cannot publicize it after you have finished playing it. It is not. If you do that, you will get a copyright claim from YouTube. This is not something that someone can rewatch, but it's something you can play immediately and get your watch hour immediately. Like now, if you, I don't know if you can see, 2 person has already joined already, and that is how it will go like that. They are going to be playing with you, especially this game here. It is very interactive, so people are going to be playing with you to get it. So that is why I muted the sound, because I don't want a copyright claim. So that it will just be that I'm showing the image and we are just talking about where I'm explaining to you on how to go about it. So just keep doing it. Like me now, I start by 10 p.m. it depends, and end by 2, or sometimes it depends on how I want to go about it. You just keep playing. You spend 4 hours. That 4 hours you get people coming. Just make sure you use a very good title and a very good thumbnail. Just keep practicing it, keep doing it, and before you know it, you will get 40 hours watch time. You may even get more than that. You may get 100, you may get 200. It depends. Some people spend the whole day in playing this game. You can be talking, be interacting, show your face, or you just off your camera and you keep playing it and keep playing it. People will be laughing because it's very funny. And when you are done with this game, you can go to the next game under. You will just see there, just go, you'll see that game there, click on it, you pick different options of your game, and that is how you can monetize this easily. It doesn't, you are even enjoying what you are playing, you are enjoying what you are doing, and you're playing game. People are commenting on that, oh, this is not how it is. Oh, yeah, you can decide again what other game we should play. Should we play puzzle, pick a pool or something? Just interact with your community or with your audience on live. That's all. Bye.